In today's video, I'm going to show you guys on how to add 2 videos in one frame using the CapCut app. Now, simply open your CapCut app and then click on New Project. Once you click on New Project, select the first video that you want to be in the frame. So I will go with this video and then I will click Add. Now, once I'm done selecting this video, then the next thing that you want to do is to actually search for this section. You can see this section that says aspect ratio. Now click on your aspect ratio section and then extend the video. So I'm going to be using this TikTok section. So once I click on TikTok, you can see that the screen is now way bigger. So I will click on Done. Now what you can do is that you can actually click on this video now and you'll be able to actually move this video, like you move it upward or downward. So it's pretty much of your choice. So right now I'm going to show you guys another secret. Now you can actually choose which section of this video is going to be in the frame, either it be the left side or the right side. And to do this, make sure that you have selected the video and then go to the crop section. And once you get to the crop section, you can actually choose if you want this right side to be in the video or this left side to be in the video. So for this one, we'll be using the right side. So now you see that we've cropped out the right side. So we're going to click on Done. So you can see that only the right side is now showing here. So I'm going to place this video, I'm going to move it over here, and then I'm going to zoom in. So that's what we'll have to do. So right now, to zoom in, you can actually zoom in easily by using this transform option. Once you click on transform, and then you click on advanced, and then you click on zoom, you can actually zoom in. So you can see that you can zoom in and make this video bigger. So once I zoom in, I'm going to make sure that I take up all the space at the top. So you can see that now it's actually perfect and it has fit. It's a total fit to the top. So right now, let's move on to add the second video. So to add the second video, you are going to have to click on overlay. So once you click on overlay, simply select the other video that you want to be in the frame. So I'm going to be going with this. Now, once you selected the other video, you can see I can easily just put the other video here. And then I can zoom in. And you can see that both videos are going to be playing together. So you can see that both videos are now playing together in the same frame. But I want this to actually look much more professional. So I'm going to do what we did in the first video. Now I'm going to actually zoom in on this video as well. So I'm going to tap on it. And then I'll look for the crop icon. First, I'll look for the crop icon. So right now, I'm going to crop this video a little bit. So let's crop this video a bit. All right, now we'll click on Done. Once we click on Done, we can go ahead and zoom in on this video. Now let's look for the transform option, because it's through the transform option that you can actually zoom in. So once you click on transform, then you click on this advanced, then you select zoom. Now you can actually zoom in, so you can actually fit the screen much more better. So right now you can see that it's a total fit. So now let's play this video. So once you play the video, you can now see that 2 videos are playing together in the same screen at the same time. So this is the best way for you to actually get this done using your CapCut app. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.